Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Insightly CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close your Insightly CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently cancel your Insightly CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common for you to go ahead and switch providers. So maybe you want to go ahead and permanently close down your Insightly CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Insightly CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Insightly CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and permanently close down your account, you're going to need to click on the profile icon here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this drop-down menu. And in order to permanently close down your Insightly CRM, click on this button here, Billing and Account. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this drop-down menu over here on the left with 5 different options. But to permanently close your account, you're going to click on this one, Cancel Account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this warning, just letting you know that if you continue this process, you cannot reverse it. So it's going to be permanent. If you're okay with that and you still want to permanently close down your Insightly CRM, click here, please cancel and delete my account. Okay, so to prevent your Insightly CRM account from being deleted accidentally, they do require you to go ahead and click in this box and type in delete everything. All right, once you're ready, go ahead and click on the red delete account button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you're going to see this account cancellation confirmation. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently cancel your Insightly CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.